places to go. Energy! Yeah! Let's get that to energy. And a high five for how I haven't done so much since. And bring it for running around the speed of sound. I don't know much of it is coming to life. Brightness is your but peace are us. And Evan, high five. You called me Evan. Yes, it's Evelyn. Sorry I haven't recorded in a while. If the screen's too close, it's because I'm just doing it like this. And I said it would be just be a little, but I keep on forgetting. Final time recording.
Katie!
Not the final time, just forget.
Come on, let's go on the porch.